Hello, I'm Dr. Meenal Soni and welcome to Healing Attitudes. I'm reconnecting with you after a little gap. So let me first begin with the new name Healing Attitudes and its philosophy. I've been studying mind and body together for a very long time. Whether it's through homeopathy, counseling, hypnotherapy, or many other therapies, in every case, what I realize is that mind and body cannot be separated. Can you separate the aroma of the biryani from it? No, right? So, mind and body are the two innate aspects of our being. Mind is the abstract, untouchable, very feminine kind of energy, where body is a solid, masculine form of it which we can touch and feel. So, these two forms, the masculine and the feminine energy of our being, always are in tandem with each other, and along with the flow, energy flow in the 7 chakras in our body, they keep our body healthy. So, whenever we are talking about holistic healing, it has to be healing of mind and body together. Let me discuss a case with you so that you understand. Suppose a client comes with a vertigo and he says, Doctor, I feel very unstable. I feel as if I'm going to fall. And I give him only medicines for vertigo. He might come back after a few days because we have done nothing about his attitude. So, while he feels unstable in his body, some area in his life also represents the same instability. We have to find that area, we have to find his attitude in that area and heal that attitude to totally heal his instability. Now, the same is true for your life also. Suppose you have a problem with your boss at your workplace and you decide to quit the job. Okay, your problem will be solved. But what about your attitude? Did you learn the correct attitude to deal with these problematic people? You did. So every time you face a life situation, a challenge, you must know what is the correct healing attitude to deal with it so that you can evolve personally and even spiritually. So in my videos, what I'm going to do is discuss various areas of our life, whether it's day-to-day challenge, stressful situations, work-life balance, parenting, relationships, or even personal or spiritual evolvement. We will be discussing healing attitude in every area of these life. I'm going to also discuss with you a lot of therapies like hypnotherapy, past life regression, chakra healing, and so on and so forth. Now, when I was not with you for a little bit of a gap, so many people messaged me saying, Doctor, we are so eagerly waiting for your webinars, for your videos, for the wonderful meditations that we experienced. So I want to thank all of you for your love and support. And I know that you will all continue to support me. So if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so now. And I have an Instagram handle with the same name. And don't forget to follow that too. And I'm sure you will find a lot of videos very interesting and very, very helpful to your friends and family. Do share them so that we can create a big healing community and continue to evolve personally as well as spiritually.